Okay, one of the driving forces behind Emzor setting up the first API plant in Nigeria, I guess, is always something we wanted to do as part of our backward integration strategy, because we import quite a lot of API raw materials, and we thought it imperative to start the journey of creating our own APIs, not just for Emzor's consumption, but also consumption for other companies in the Nigerian market and beyond in West Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa. My name is Emeka Okoli, and I'm the chairman of Emzor Pharmaceutical Industries Ltd.
We're very excited as a PIFA to be here, that we are able to put together this partnership, introductions of Emzor to EIB, and EIB, of course, coming on board to see that they support Emzor as they take on this huge investment.
Big doses and other things with these machines. So here is the filling of that one. It's a dry syrup line. Yeah, for the suspension.
Bottle is the end product?
Yes, bottle is the end product.
Emzor launched the first operation under this envelope, and on an obviously we're targeting 3 to 4 operations out of this envelope, and the one to Emzor is this one. To watch something, if you watch the test tube in there and the QC whatever, for what it has to come to each, because it have traces of chemical, may or may not have traces of chemicals, so everything, and same with the other plants. Even the washing the floor, it goes into a drain and goes to a neat clean.
Before we started manufacturing, we went to countries like India to find out what's there. And we found out that government has got to play a role, a big role, by supporting their people in their country.
API, for example, should enable us to be more affordable.
Who was exploring maybe to have like an off-take contract of API, for example, and company willing to buy you API for the next 10 years, 15 years.
Yes.
But that's really it's a product to create with it.
Emzor family.
So we toast to
Local manufacturing in Nigeria, the government will support it. At Emzor, we grew from strength to strength, and then Nigeria becomes self-sufficient in manufacturing. And at Emzor, being the first in API, we ensure that it goes beyond the shores of this country to the rest of the world. Cheers, everybody.